Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a creative poster in Adobe Photoshop. First, create the document of these dimensions. Go to the triangle tool and draw a triangle. Change its color to red. Rotate it. Make it as long as the size of the artboard. Drag it towards the left. Then go to the File menu. Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Right-click on its layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the image. Change its blend mode to multiply. Add a layer mask to it. Go to the Brush tool and use these settings. Make sure the foreground color is black. And apply it like this. Again, go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image, and place. Adjust its size and place it here. Drag the layer down. Add a layer mask to it. Go to the Brush tool and apply it like this. Select the Type tool and type the text. Follow my text settings. Finally, place the logo in the design. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.